Hello, I'm John Carr with the City of Palo Alto, building inspector specializing in green building. On this video today, we'll be talking about non-residential inspection procedures and expectations. Our goal is to achieve compliance on the first visit. In this video, we'll go over non-residential inspection procedures and expectations. See Green Building Verification Form. For green building triggers and scoping, please see other videos in this series. Procedures, non-residential inspections. CalGreen pre-construction meeting. When scheduling inspection, use IVR code 111. Review the GB1 sheet and inspection guidelines with the green building inspector. Green building incremental verification. When scheduling inspection, use IVR code 112. Schedule with multi-trades inspection. We'll be looking at things like submeters, dual plumbing, duct protection. Green building final inspection. Schedule a green building final between substantial completion and prior to final inspection. When scheduling inspection, use IVR code 974. We will have a review of paperwork and on-site checks. Procedures, inspections. Green building inspection, submittals and guidelines. Inspection submittals. GB1, Green Building Inspection Guidelines, binder and agenda, and review the GB1. Pre-construction IVR 111, Green Building Inspection Procedures, Pre-construction Green Building Meeting. Contact the building department to schedule a green building pre-construction meeting. 111. Pre-construction meeting agenda. 1. Inspector shall request to see a copy of the GB1 sheet in the approved permit plan set. 2. Overview of construction phase requirements applicable to the project. Confirm if the project requires mandatory Tier 1 or Tier 2 inspections. 3. Review green building inspection checklist. 4. Discuss compliance expectations throughout construction and during the green building incremental verification 112 and the green building final inspection 974. 5. Review resources available to the construction team. 6. Go over questions and answers. Now we're going to be going over the GB1 mandatory checklist. Things that I'll be looking for would be that the Y and the N column all have X's in them. Additionally, I'll be looking for the owner's signature in the acknowledgement box. I'll be looking additionally at some of the tougher measures to meet. Incremental inspection IVR 112. This inspection must take place prior to the installation of insulation or all trades inspections. Green building incremental verification 112. Contact the building department to schedule the green building incremental verification. Green building incremental verification inspection procedures. 1. Inspector shall request to see a copy of the GB1 sheet in the approved permit plan set. 2. Review green building inspection checklist and inspect all items listed as green building incremental verification. 3. Request submittals or supplemental documentation as listed. 4. Review the recycled content value spreadsheet. Green Building Final IVR 974. GB1 Compliance Documentation. Complete a 3-ring binder and flash drive containing compliance documentation for all items marked yes on the GB1. Compliance documentation examples include spec sheets, pictures, cut sheets, statements of compliance, air balance compliance reports. Preparing for the Green Building Final, we will review the GB1 form, the Green Building Inspection Submittals and Guidelines, as well as the 3-ring binder. This is a typical binder that I expect to see at the Green Building Final inspection. In this binder, you'll have our compliance documents as well as tabs that have all been indicated for the measures on our GB1 forms. In addition to that, I'll be looking for a flash drive. All of that pertinent information that was in that Green Building binder needs to be put on this flash drive. Common pitfalls are improperly filled out GB1s. The summary and reference columns should all be populated. The summary columns show compliance. The reference column is where the item location is located in the plan set. This concludes the Green Building Inspections Introduction and Compliance Training for non-residential green building, Cal Green mandatory and tiers.